guys, we're gonna do the rubber, not like real rubber, or like squishy, maybe squishy vinegar and egg challenge. And this is my sister, my brother assistant. His name's Joseph, but I call him Hayden, and he's Skylar. And Daddy, his name's Joseph too. He's recording the video, and my little sister is in there watching commercials. And we'll start with the vanilla. We'll put the eggs in this container.
Or any kind of container.
Just put some eggs in here.
Not boiled.
Good job.
Yes. Raw eggs. Leave the shell on. Put it in a cup. Put it in a cup or a container. And then you start pouring the vinegar with the eggs until it's halfway top of the eggs. And
make sure there's a tiny dot like this much.
And this is what it should look like.
You should
little kids, for 3-year-old kids, 3-year-old kids should not do this. And this vinegar tastes really bad, so don't try to drink it. And I don't know if these are gonna be edible. Are they? Will they be? They'll be edible.
They taste very vinegary and bad though, so I wouldn't advise eating these. Okay?
Yeah. So don't try them. They taste like vinegar.
Unless you wash it off.
Can you wash it off? Right now, do you dare me?
No. I'm gonna put it in our mouths.
Put a comment below if you do.
And we'll wait for a little while and let's see what happens.
And if you do put your name below what you're saying, and I hope you guys will like this video.
It'll say what it'll say.
You say it.
Name.
You say
Kylie,
it.
it'll say their name.
He's a little too excited and show him. And this is silly putty. You can it can do this.
Don't. I was only playing with it.
I know.
Say goodbye.
Bye. We're gonna see you later, alligator. So
There we go.
okay, so we're going back. Last weekend we put the eggs with the shells in vinegar last weekend. So this is what they look like now, and these are my helpers. Skylar, my little brother,
please don't mess with
Kelsey, my little sister, and Hayden, he's the oldest, and my name's Kylie.
I'm Hayden. That's Kelsey. That's Skylar.
And you don't have to say it twice. And my dad is doing the camera, and he's being quiet and silent, so he just wants me to stop talk. And Skylar, please don't drop your bowl. And
I'll hold it.
And Skylar said that last time. And I hope you like this video, and we're gonna get started.
What happened to the egg?
It's
Okay. So we're going to actually talk about some science here. Okay? Yeah. So we're going to start off with an egg that Daddy accidentally broke.
Oh, me.
No, Daddy did this one. This is the shell of an egg.
It feels
So
like a slide. Don't tear it.
Feels like a slug.
Yeah. So what's happened is by soaking an egg in vinegar, the vinegar takes out all the calcium, the hard stuff of the shell. So if you guys look really closely, when you look really closely, you're going to see all of the stuff. Now I want everybody to touch the hard stuff inside the cup. So that's where the vinegar has taken it out of the egg and deposited it on the actual egg itself.
Like flour. I thought it was flour.
Yeah.
Daddy, I have a perfect our next video should be a science video. Flour with vinegar. Tell us if you have done that kind of science. Tell us if you've done vinegar with flour. Tell us if you have done that.
Oh.
Does it feel rubbery? Pick it up, okay?
Don't pick it up. Just touch it.
Can we all touch it?
You can all touch it first.
Whoa. And then can
Yeah.
I pick it up?
Don't. You can pick it up, but you got to leave it over the bowl because I have a feeling it's going to pop. Now you feel. Look, give it a little bounce.
Does it about?
Do it in the dry bowl. Do it in the dry bowl. See how it's squishy? It's no longer an egg.
Oh, the yolk just goes around in there.
Show the camera.
I can't see.
It wouldn't taste good. See that yellow stuff? That's the yolk. Can I feel it again?
Okay.
Now we're gonna bounce it in the little bowl.
Whoa, you're taking all of them out? Is that one mine, Daddy?
Stop.
Mine's just a tiny one. Hey,
Kylie.
This one's mine.
So this one is a little bit earlier. You see how it's still got the white stuff on it? So that's all from the shell coming off of it.
Yeah, it's
So-
on my thumb.
And it will pop. Just like a water balloon. Now you guys want to see something cool?
That was mine.
Mine was bouncing.
Okay, watch. Okay.
Yeah.
I can't see.
Hold on.
Oh, you're pouring it down the drain.
So I
mine.
had this one in
Is
this
there
cup. No, this one was in water.
Oh, what was?
It's
mine.
Don't fight over it. It will pop.
How is it have rubbery?
So what happens is the vinegar takes the shell out of the egg.
Oh,
And-
it looks like it's gonna pop.
So what happens is when you put it in water, the egg gets bigger because it starts absorbing water because the shell's no longer there.
Oh, that's what happened to Kylie's?
Yep. If you were to pop it, it would smell vinegary because it's absorbed some vinegar.
Oh, at the end of the video, how about we pop it?
One.
Okay.
Only one.
Okay.
No,
Well,
mine.
now
And
listen.
then we go like,
So another experiment that we could do one day
that's a lot of vinegar.
is you can take rubber eggs. Listen.
It will.
Hey, you can take rubber eggs and you can put them in syrup. Okay?
Yeah, we'll do
And
that.
they'll shrink?
And it shrinks. It
How do you
shrivels up.
know, Skylar?
I don't know.
Let
I
her-
It
only
still
guess.
has some shell stuff.
Yeah?
We could just scrape that off. Awesome.
We
Can
don't
it be
want it
Kelsey?
to pop in here. Yeah, it smells like vinegar.
Kelsey has the egg now.
Okay, look.
Oh, it's almost at the end
So
of
I pop one?
No, you pop yours. Each kid's going to pop theirs.
Why?
Look at the yolk.
Don't play with it, Kylie.
Use your fingers. Oh, my turn. Hey, don't.
I want to do it together.
Hey, Kylie.
It splattered on me.
Yeah? Because it's...
It doesn't smell vinegar.
Oh, yours is weird on my. Oh, it can
Careful,
stick like
Kelsey.
good. Oh,
All right, Skylar's turn.
no, don't be careful.
I went all the way to the bottom. How come the yolk's not in there? Yep, the yolk's in there. Stop it. The yolk's in there.
Okay.
I actually hoarded it.
Yep, so Skylar's was the one in water. So his consistency changed. You see how much bigger and stronger
Hold it.
his yolk is? Look. Oh, until he does that.
Look at mine.
All right, guys. Do you guys have fun with the rubber eggs?
Yeah.
All
I
right.
wish we could bounce it.
All right, tell everybody bye.
Bye, everyone.
Wait, but before you go, I'm gonna try to bounce it in liquid.
No, Kylie.
I can't. Look at our hands. Show them your hands.
Yep. Okay, we got to clean up now.
Fire
Say
up
bye.
there.